Let's go on a hike. Let's go to the mountaintops. Let's go see the mountains show off. Let's go see where angels learn to fly. Let's go on a hike.
Fancy Pants and the Monkey Crew on day 104, getting ready to leave Cosby Knob shelter. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, so we're getting a nice early start today and have about 7 or 8 miles to go to the next shelter, Cosby Knob or Crosby Knob, something like that. So it's going to be a good day today. I already feel like I'm in a better frame of mind. Had a good sleep last night. And yeah, it's time to get hiking. Check in later. Fancy Pants with a quick check-in, a thought that popped into my head. I had a great talk with Jib and Gunk at the shelter last night. Yesterday, mentally, was a really rough day for me. Today, I'm feeling a heck of a lot better. My legs feel great. I don't want to quit today. So, yeah, I guess that's just how it is. But it's kind of scary when you get those feelings, because I really, after so much time and effort invested already in this hike, I think deep down I really don't want to quit. But yesterday was just, it hit me hard. So I'm sure any of you who are former through hikers or lashers, long ass section hikers, have experienced that. So if you want to comment below the video and let me know what y'all did when you had feelings like that on trail and how you dealt with it, that would be great. I'm sure it's going to happen again, but for today, right now, in this moment, all is good in the world of Fancy Pants and the Monkey Crew. We'll check in later. Fancy Pants and the Monkey Crew checking in. Just had a nice about 45-minute lunch / snack break a while back. Foursquare has gone on ahead. And then there were a couple other hikers, Roadhog and Jib and Gunk. They're heading to the next shelter. So it's only 3 miles to go for the day. So nice short day. And I'm going to turn the camera around and just talk for a little bit. So I felt like today, after the day I had yesterday, is a much needed reprieve. So when you have a bad day on trail, what do you do to keep yourself from giving up? So one thing you can do is you can do fewer miles the next day. Instead of trying to do 10 to 12 or whatever it is, maybe shorten it up. Perhaps take a 0 day in town or whatever. Reward yourself with a special treat after finishing a certain section of the trail. As in the Smokies, planning on trying to get a massage when I go into town, which will be great if we can do that. So anyway, I felt so not wanting to hike yesterday, and today's a completely different ball game. So that's good. That's good news, definitely. And yeah, the trail right now has been pretty much going downhill all day. Very, very enjoyable after all the climbing we've had. It's just beautiful right here. It's like a little ridge line, and the views are kind of hazy. They say it's supposed to rain tomorrow, which tomorrow will be our last day, or I should say my last day hiking in the Smokies. I'm going to hike down to Davenport Gap and then walk a little bit further to get picked up and go to a hostel for a 0 day. So that's where we're at. All is good, much better than yesterday. And I just wanted to update you. Check in later. All right, this will be a good one to get through. Let's see what we can do. It almost looks as if some of the trees have been cut already, but I think this is a case of it looks worse than what it really is going to be to get through it. Just stepping very carefully. Thank goodness for trekking poles. And there are spaces in between the branches that I'm able to put my feet, which is good, but I can't film that part because I'd probably fall. All right, here we go. Lift that leg up. Okay. All right, just slow going, that's all. All right, that's the worst of it. Let me have that one big log here to get over. Okay. This is just going to be up and over with the leg, I think. Not enough space to go under it. So, all right, I'm going to have to pause. And here I am on the other side. Yeah, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. This is just what it looks like from the other side. So, well done, Fancy Pants and Monkey Crew. You did it. Wow, looks like this tree fell in the right direction. Holy cow, size of this root ball is massive. Anyway, luckily it is not obstructing the trail, but I am going to watch my steps, so this is a short clip. From this viewpoint, you can actually see that that root ball is a combined root ball of what looks to be 4 trees. Unbelievable. The force that it must have taken to blow this or blow these 4 trees over. Holy smokes. Here's another one at mile 229.6. I'm not sure yet how to go around it. It looks like there might be a path down that way, but there's also a huge root ball there too. So I'm gonna have to investigate this and see what happens. Luckily, there was a path down and around this one. I am on the other side of it now, but I'll kind of show you the path. I'm not going to climb all the way back down there, but it did go down this way, and it wasn't too bad. I had to climb on those rocks, but man, massive destruction. Once again, I don't know if this was due to some storm that came after Helene or if this is Helene-related damage. All right, we continue onward.